All right, here we go. So real world math, this all just happened last night, and now you guys get to practice all your math norms and really practice what we talked about this morning about what do we want to hear when we are struggling with math. So you get to do that in two ways. You get to be the one who gives advice or talks to someone who's struggling, but also as someone who might struggle with this problem, you talked this morning about what you want to hear, what actions you want to would be motivating. Connor, I see your hands up, bud.
Yeah, can I join on my PC?
Wait, why would you want to do that, buddy?
Because I've gotten kicked out of Zoom twice, and it shows me as guest on the Chromebook, but it doesn't on the computer.
Well, you're not signing in the right way. You have to sign in with your SSO. So you're not signing in the right way. It's automatically remembering it the other way. So log out and log back in. You have to remember, you have to go to Zoom to sign in over on the right-hand side.
Can I just join on my PC?
So is that but buddy, I don't think that I can see your work when you sign in on your PC, right?
You can.
Oh, I can? Wait, why can I see you and I can't see
the
other
PC
people?
for me is a lot better because I can't see anything on my Chromebook right now.
Huh, okay, go ahead and try it. Log back in, I guess. All right, let me go ahead and open this. Let me share my screen. All right, so like I said, today when you look at this problem, you're gonna experience the, I don't know where to get started. I feel some of you might, and some of you might know where to start but stumble through some of it, okay? So let me show this to you. Let's do full screen. I'm gonna spotlight my, oops. Where did I go? Let me spotlight. All right, here we go. So here's the workout. I mean, here's the assignment. It's CrossFit workout. Hopefully this goes to the right. And I didn't have you guys make a copy of it. I just had it go right to the web. So I pulled this right off CrossFit's website last night when I got home and put this on here. So the moves don't matter, right? The fact that you don't know what a hang squat clean is, that doesn't matter. That was the work that the athletes did last night. So they had to do 2 hang squat cleans, and then they had to do 2 squat cleans, okay? So this information, whoopsies, that number and that number are what are important, okay? So there are a total of 4 reps, 4 moves that they have to do, okay? And again, this EMOM, that doesn't matter to you. This is what matters, 15 minutes. So far we have 4 moves and 15 minutes, okay? You get to choose the weight. Athletes got to go really heavy if they wanted to, or really light. Again, that doesn't matter. But you come down and read the total score. How do you figure that out? Well, it's the total weight moved throughout the EMOM, the workout, okay? So down below, there's an example how to figure out the total weight that was moved. So for example, let's say you used 100 pounds, okay? There are 4 moves. That means for 15 minutes, you did 60 reps. Does that make sense? Yeah, or some of you like this, like, this is a lot of information, Mrs. Bartlett. Anybody feel like that right now? Yeah. There's a lot of information here that some of it you don't even have to pay attention to. You don't have to pay attention to this. You don't have to pay attention to this, okay? Right here where it says this, how you get your score, this part is important. Total weight moved. That's important because you have to know that. And your example, really, really important. So there are 4 moves and 15 minutes. So they multiplied 4 times 15 to find out that there's a total of 60 reps in the entire workout. That number is going to be really important to you. So if you lifted for all of those minutes 100 pounds, your score would be 6,000. Okay, just a score of 6,000 points. Okay, now we're going to go and look at what Keller did last night. Okay, so here's Keller, my son. He's 10. He worked out last night and did this workout, and this is his score. Okay, so here's Keller. He wrote his name down. He started the workout by doing 20 pounds, but he only did that for 6 rounds. How many reps are in each round? Hold your finger up. Do you remember? Yeah, 4. For each round, there were 4 reps. Okay, so for a little bit, he did that for that, and then the next 4 rounds, he decided to go up in weight, and for the final 5 rounds, he went up even a little bit more weight and did 30 pounds. Okay, so you're wanting to figure out what Keller's final score is. Okay, the directions here. Use the workout information to solve this problem. Here is the workout information. Do you need all the information that's here? Do you need to look at all this? Nope. What's really important to pay attention to are the example. Okay, there are 4 reps. So a total of 60 reps, but Keller mixed it up a little bit. Okay, so you're trying to figure out what Keller's final score is. So today, as you work, some of you are gonna feel like, I don't even know where to start, what to do. Okay, mathematicians get started even if they don't know what to do. Mathematicians make mistakes. Mathematicians talk to each other and learn from each other. Okay, we write down ideas. We analyze it. Oh, that's not what I want to do, and try another route. Okay, and I'm going to tell you, trying to figure Keller's score out for me last night, I was sitting there for a little bit as well. Okay, so here's what I would like to have happen. Okay, if you would like to do a breakout and go off and work with a group of students, definitely you can do that. Or you can stay in the main room and I'll work with a group of students to try and tackle this problem. Okay. So raise your hand if you would like to be sent off to a breakout room. Just go ahead and raise your blue hand. Yep. You're going to stick with it. You're going to persevere. You're going to try and tackle this problem. You are going to, yeah, quite a few of you. Yeah, and then some of you stay with me and we can try and do this, okay? All right. This is going to take a lot of focus, okay, for some students. And some of you might just look at this and your brain works this way and you can figure it out pretty quickly. And that's fine too. Okay. All right. So let me make breakout rooms for kiddos. Any questions before we get started? So again, this is on Canvas. You're going to take a picture of your thinking. We're going to come back together because my guess is there's going to be different strategies for sure to solve this. Jesse, you have a question?
Yeah, wait, so on the breakout rooms, do we get to work together or is it independent?
Oh, definitely work together.
Okay, good.
Let's use what we talked about this morning. How do we like to get feedback? How do we like to get help? How do we feel encouraged? All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to stop. Remote control.